this is going to be a really short level crossing video, so yeah, there's not really much to record because it already activated. So let's just play the clip of when it does activate. Active at Woodward Road. Fast bells, very fast. Slower bells on this side. Hi guys, so we are at Woodward Road level crossing, and this is a very odd crossing. Well, every crossing is odd in its own way, but like this crossing is 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of lights, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of bells, and 2 barriers. So the barriers are by Western Cullen Hayes, and the bells are made out of Western Cullen Hayes e-bells, and the lights are from Montrose of Penrose. So yeah, pretty unusual video, having the crossing start first instead of after. Again, gate release, let me through, and yeah, this will lock on its own. I just want to record this mechanism. Okay, I don't think it's gonna lock.